In a quiet village, Mr. Gupta, a wise elderly man, noticed a young boy named Rowan spending most of his days idly lounging around. Concerned about Rowan's lack of direction, Mr. Gupta decided to impart a valuable lesson on the importance of time. Approaching Rowan one day, Mr. Gupta said, "Rowan, time is a precious gift that, once spent, cannot be regained. How you use your time shapes your future." Rowan, initially uninterested, listened as Mr. Gupta continued. Mr. Gupta shared a tale about a magical clock that could grant wishes, but only if one used their time wisely. Intrigued, Rowan began to reconsider his idle ways. Mr. Gupta then gifted Rowan a simple hourglass, saying, "This hourglass is a reminder. Each grain of sand slipping through is a moment. Don't let them slip away without purpose." As days passed, Rowan started to appreciate the value of time. He began to set small goals and work diligently to achieve them. Mr. Gupta, noticing the positive change, encouraged Rowan along the way. Years later, Rowan transformed into a responsible and successful young man. Grateful for Mr. Gupta's guidance, he visited the wise elder to express his thanks. Mr. Gupta smiled, "Remember, Rowan, time is the currency of life. Invest it wisely, and you'll reap a bountiful harvest." The story of Mr. Gupta and Rowan underscores the transformative power of recognizing the value of time and using it purposefully to shape one's destiny.